Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Intraday Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today market was almost flattish, and then at the end it recovered on the upside. So I had posted an analysis in my Telegram channel that both FIs and pros have call shorts. So upside seems to be limited. What happened is in the first half, they definitely kept the market under pressure, and I was constantly observing the option premium. So a much of a decay is something that they definitely got. They booked it, and today, CPI inflation data was about to come, which I had not taken into consideration. So uh, this is one of the reasons why they covered their shorts at the end and closed it on a bullish basis. But however, if you see, Bank Nifty is trading in a very narrow range, and it is still trading within this place. Okay, so this particular red candle is important to break to go on the upside. And now if they break this range on the downside, then we would end up somewhere here. So this is what their plan is, and this consolidation looks like it may continue if it doesn't break this high tomorrow. There is a possibility we may break the low and then come and trade somewhere in this level. And eventually, then this becomes your bigger range, and then this range breakdown or a breakout can change the trend. Okay, so this is what has happened in Bank Nifty and Nifty so far. Let's quickly check out the data and understand what plan should we do for tomorrow. If you look at the participants data, FIs have added around 8,900 index futures long, and they have closed 3,700 shorts. Okay, and if you look at their call and put options, call they have closed around 3,500 longs and around 36,000 shorts. Similarly, pros have closed 61,000 longs and nearly 2.3 lakh shorts. And on the put side, if you see, both of them have uh, are holding put shorts. So it is almost 17,720 from FIIs and 1,75,000 from pros. So if you look at the net to net position, what we can see today is FIIs have created 8925 long in the futures, and they are short on the put side in the options, which is 17,700. Okay, so this indicates bullishness. If you look at the cash market data for today, FIs have sold for 500 and just a second, I'm just loading it up. Yeah, they sold it for 542 crores and DI bought for 85 crores. So this indicates that market did not go up with cash buying, but it just went up due to short covering. So what should we expect tomorrow? So tomorrow, at least for the first half, we can expect that the market will not go down because both the players have created support in the market. Okay, so both of them have created support. Hence, at least in the first half, it will not go down. The CPI data or the inflation data is out, and it's not really that great. If you look at here, I'll show you. So September CPI at 7.41%. MPC likely to hike repo rate by at least 35 basis point. So inflation has been outside the mandated 2 to 6% tolerance range for 3 consecutive quarters. So usually when it is out of the tolerance level for the 3 consecutive quarters, then it is a concern that the central bank is not able to control the inflation in the country, and it creates a bad impression about the Central Bank of India. So I don't know how they'll factor this in. Uh, sometimes if the market has to go up, they'll say, this news was already factored in, and tomorrow if they come down, then they'll say that it's a reaction because of CPI inflation data. So that's one of the reason why I don't believe news, but I rather believe levels. So if you look at SGX Nifty, it is trading around 50 points lower, and both Nasdaq and Dow Jones futures are trading flat. So let's see how the SGX Nifty ends up at night or in the morning based on US markets movement. Now let's quickly discuss the levels. Okay, so one more thing, all the levels are same. I'll just activate them. So this is the 0.618 and 0.5 we already had marked here, and this is from this one second. Okay. So this is this candle's low to this candle's high. Fibonacci level we already have. So let's move to a 5 minutes candlestick. Okay, so what do you see from here is uh, this particular trend line that's just reached. Okay, this trend line, if you want to know where does it come from, let me show you that. It comes from here, and this is a down, like the uptrend line created today. So what should be a plan? So tomorrow, let's imagine Bank Nifty opens anywhere here, okay, which is a flat open. So until 39,000, it is okay. So any opening around 39,000 to 39,150 is considered flat opening. So what we'll do here is, if we open here and if the market takes this high, that means they are planning to take the market more higher. We can immediately, uh, enter into a call position since they are bullish. See, when you see only put writing, that doesn't mean the market has to go up. Okay, so we saw call writing yesterday. Market did not go up for almost half of the day, and or not even it like it did not even go down. Okay, so in the Telegram channel, I had mentioned that call short doesn't mean that the market will go down. It means that there is a resistance in the market. They're not going to allow it to go up. So until this time, it was continuously trading downside. Only then afterwards it came to the previous swing and started consolidating and then gave a breakout of the upside. So there was no strong momentum that happened. So similar thing can happen in the first half if the market opens flat. So in case if it opens flat and it starts trading within this range, then we can actually trade the breakout. Like if it breaks down 39,000, we can go for a downside trade, or if it breaks the upside, we can actually take the upside trade. And the target should be 39,500, and the ultimate target is 39,613. So this is the upside level that we are eyeing. When should we go, or when should we go short? That is when it again trades below this level. Okay, this is around 38,900. So if market trades below this level, then you can actually go for a put buy or a call short. Then slow and steady. If 38,800 breaks, then we can see a sharp momentum that may drag Bank Nifty to around 38,500. So this is the both side levels that we have. In case if we open gap down, keep this trend line, there is a high possibility that they are having put shots, so they'll at least take the market to this place. So if we open around say 38,900 to 39,000, there's a high possibility we may see a recovery until this place. So at least you can buy call around this area, and you can book it around 39,100. Okay, and then if they have to go up, they'll start consolidating here, and then they'll give a breakout for the upside, so you can trade the upside. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. any major gap down, say it is opening at 38,800, then the scenario will change. What they'll do is they'll create an exit window for them. They'll exit the position and the market may, come down eventually. So have that plan too. Let's quickly discuss Nifty. So Nifty did not perform the way Bank Nifty performed. So this is the 0.618 level. Okay, Nifty took support. So yesterday they broke it. Today it went up, and then finally they did not break this low and made a higher low and immediately recovered. Okay, and Bank Nifty took support at 0.5. And then what you need to do is in Nifty, if it opens flat, uh, see the actual uptrend will come once it crosses 17,160. So once we close above 17,160, we can go for a call. The immediate target is 17,260. Okay, and then onwards we'll see what further it does. But it is better to book here. And Nifty also is following a trend line which you can actually mark from this place. Okay, so this is excess, so you need to just avoid it. But this is the actual trend line. So if Nifty opens flat and starts trading below this level, okay, this is around 17,060, then the market can be a little under pressure, but it will immediately not break this level, but it may consolidate here for some time, and whenever this level breaks, we can go for a put. So mark these levels on your chart, which can be of a great help. And any gap down opening, say around 17,080 or anything above 17,060, the market may immediately recover until this level, and then we need to see if it consolidates and breaks out. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all understood it. It's an expiry day, so a little confusion will also be there. So the Fibonacci strategy that I mentioned, that can be very helpful to trade. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.